everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Hello everyone, today we're going to be working in Corel Draw. We're specifically going to be looking at how to design a bumper sticker that we could then create on our vinyl cutter. So to get started, as you can see I have a page here. The first thing I'm going to do is adjust the page size. So if you recall our machine, the printing area is roughly 28.4 inches wide. Now, depending on what you are looking at for your bumper sticker, you could use the full width, or you could just do a partial width of that. Just depends on how much of the page you want to use. We'll go and just set that to 28.4, and then the height, that'd be just however tall you want to make it. Now we charge by the foot, so I'll just put it in 12 inches. So now what we'll do is we'll start designing. So there's a number of things that we can do. Obviously, we have the basic shapes, and we'll work with that here in a second. We also have text. Again, we'll work with that in a second. But I'm going to start out with importing an image, and that will serve as our base. So I'll go and import this picture right here and place it right here. I'm going to resize it to get it to the size I like. You can see up here, that's about 7.5 inches. I kind of would like that to be maybe over a foot. So I'm just dragging around kind of loosely right now. Of course, if you wanted a specific dimension, you could just pop that in like so. Now it's 15. Now that's quite a tall bumper sticker, so I'm actually going to use the crop function right here to just select an area and hit enter. And now we're looking at 15 by 5. That seems much more reasonable. So as I said before, we can add in text. So I'll just click the text tool, and we'll click right here, and we'll start typing. So the default font color is black, but that doesn't show up very well. So I'm going to change that. All right, so we can change our color fill right here to any color we like. So let's actually shoot for a white. That should show up pretty good. Now I do have an outline going right here. Instead of hairline, I'm going to change this to something else. Let's see what looks good. And of course, that doesn't look good right now because it's kind of small. So I'll click out of that, resize it. That looks a little bit better. In fact, I'm going to bump that up from 2 point. Let's try 4 point. That looks pretty good right there. Very bold. Now we can also change the font up top here. So if we wanted something more specific, we could scroll through and just find something that looks nice. So even, actually, it looks kind of cool. Even something like that. And it's a matter of resizing, dragging to wherever you like. And it looks pretty good right there. Now the final thing we'll need to do is set our cut line. So we can use a shape. And you can see it'll snap to the corner, just like so. Now I'm going to set that to hairline right over top here. And we're going to change the outline color to the Roland color. So we'll use this, kind of looks like a Rubik's Cube kind of sort of right here. That's the show color palettes. We'll use this drop down menu to go to the Roland folder, Roland VersaWorks, and cut contour. And you can see now that gives us this pink line right here around the edge. Again, you can't use any pink. It has to be that Roland cut contour. And then to export this file, just be a file, export. We want to export it as an EPS. Give it some sort of a name, send it out, and then this would be something that we could then print on our machine at the library.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL CreativeSpace at www.jesspublib.org/creativespace.